So basically, I've been working on a way to you know, something for an engine to have a nicer editor. And what is my main function? So just my main file, and you'll see I create some table of objects, and it's nothing special. I create this test object at position 5050. I create a GUI for it using this editable module, update it, and I draw every object that has the drawable component, because there's also some kind of component-ish system in there. And you'll see that in a second. So this test object, well, it adds these components: a transform, colored, drawable. All this is subject to change. I'm not happy with the way that works yet. Let's ignore that for now. So we see this, it has a size property which is editable and a number starting at 10. The arguments get passed to the transform as the x and the y. In the draw it says it calls the colored component and the setColor method on that, and it draws a rectangle of size at position x, y. Right, that's all. Oh, and it is drawable, so that means that this code here, this loop, finds it in the objects list and draws it. Good, so now there's colored, which says it's a component named colored. Again, something I want to change because the duplication between the names here isn't something I want to keep. And it contains a red, green, and a blue, which range from 0 to 255, starting off at 255, and setColor just simply sets it. So that's all the code that there is. Well, with, you know, editable is this something, and the component stuff, but sure, like that's basically how this works. Now the result of this is, if I run love, you'll see it's a bit slow to start, and great. There we go. So here's love. You see my 10 by 10 box at position 5050. It's also colored. The default color was white. So now I haven't changed the starting size yet. There we go. A bit bigger still. Oops. There we go. So there's the game. There's the generated GUI. I didn't code anything about the GUI. What you see, this test object is the actual definition from which the GUI is derived, and is colored, and the same thing for transform. So you see, colored contains a numeric range, so we get a slider. Size was just a number, so we get, you know, combo box, or a spin button, as it's called in GTK. So, you know, let's change the size. Instead of 10, we'll make it, I don't know, 100. It's easy. Press enter. Boom, it's 100. Colored slider, so, yeah. Bit less blue. Bit less red. And then, you know, we've got some weird greenish, bluish color. Same thing, same deal here. The transform, we can just move it. Can change the value in one go. And as you might be able to see, this is the size property that was defined on the object itself. It's located at the top. Then we've got all the components colored and transform in collapsible buttons. They are sorted alphabetically, as are the keys within them. Yeah, so it's all generated from this, and it's grouped, and it's, you know, it's all just there. And the component system will have some more fancy stuff where components can have dependencies, and, you know, it's going to be nicer. But, I mean, this is a good place to start, I think. Just fancy sliders that actually change the color in real time.